G'day lads, just a quick video today on how to upload your flaming sword. So the easiest way to do it, I've got my flaming sword open in Piskel. We can see what it's looking like. Let's go to export. I'm going to select GIF and I'm going to download it as an animated GIF. I'm going to save it somewhere really sensible, like on my desktop, and I'm going to call it Fire Flaming Sword. Right, save it. And then what I need to do, open up Google Classroom and just attach it to the flaming sword task. So you can see here, I've got a couple of people that have already turned it in. So what you need to do is you need to upload it. Now I can't do that because I'm not a student, but go for it, see if you can get it to work, and if you get stuck, let me know. Thanks, boys.